Today we're doing Module 4, Lesson 7. The objective is today we will share and critique solution strategies for varied addition and subtraction problems within 1000. Again, I'm going to go over our vocabulary words. The first vocabulary word that I'm going to go over is the word critique. When we critique someone's work, we review it and we form an idea about the work that they did. Today we're going to look at student A and student B. We're going to critique their work. We're going to review it and we're going to form an idea. Our opinion is going to be, did they solve the problem correctly? And if they did not solve it correctly, what was the mistake? And then another vocabulary word is the word varied. Varied means different types. So we are going to review and form an idea about the solution strategies for different addition and subtraction problems within 1000. Within 1000 means that the answer will be 1000 or less. So let's look at student A's work. Student A solved 737 minus 280. And student A did a number bond. Student A used the associative property to make 280 the next 300. And thus turning the problem into 717 take away 300, and they came up with the answer of 417. Student B solved the same problem, 737 minus 280, but student A decided to use arrow way. Student B started at 737, took away the 200 in the hundreds place, and then took the tens away. There are 8 tens, so student B should have drawn 8 arrows that said minus 10. Let's check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Student B did that. Now let's see if the math is accurate. 737 take away 200, 537 minus 10, 527 minus 10, 517 minus 10, 507, minus 10, 497, minus 10, 487, minus 10, 477, minus 10, 467, minus 10, 457. Although they solved the same problem, student A and student B came to two different answers. Student A said 417, student B said 417, and upon critiquing, reviewing it, we can tell that student B was correct. The math was accurate. So student A must have done the problem wrong. And here is where the mistake is. The associative property only works when we do addition. In subtraction, the order of the numbers is important. You cannot use the associative property for subtraction. Your answer will be wrong every single time. So my critique, our review for the solution is that student B solved the problem correctly because their math was accurate, and student A solved the problem incorrectly because they used associative property to subtract, and you cannot use the associative property to subtract. It only works to